Have you ever wondered how the majestic tiger, one of the world's most powerful big cats, brings new life into the world? Well, get ready to dive into the incredible journey of a tiger cub, from the very beginning to their first roars. It all starts in the wild, where male and female tigers meet. Unlike some animals that stay together for life, tigers are mostly solitary. They come together only for a short time to mate. After a successful meeting, the female tiger embarks on a remarkable journey of motherhood. A mother tiger's pregnancy, or gestation period, lasts for about 3.5 months, which is roughly 100 to 110 days. During this time, the tiny tiger cubs are developing safely inside her womb. She has to be extra careful, continuing to hunt for herself while also protecting the precious life growing within. She'll find a safe, hidden den, maybe in a cave, a rocky crevice, or dense vegetation, to prepare for the big day. This secluded spot will be the cubs' first home, keeping them safe from predators and the elements. When the time comes, the mother tiger gives birth. It's a truly amazing process. She typically has a litter of 2 to 4 cubs, though sometimes it can be as many as 6. Each cub is born blind and completely dependent on their mother. They are tiny, weighing only about 2 pounds each, which is less than a bag of sugar. They are covered in the same striped fur as their parents, but their stripes are lighter and will darken as they grow. For the first few weeks, the mother tiger is the ultimate caregiver. She rarely leaves the den, dedicating all her time to nursing her helpless cubs. Her milk is rich in nutrients, providing everything they need to grow strong and healthy. She licks them clean, which not only keeps them tidy but also stimulates their digestion and circulation. This constant care and warmth are crucial for their survival in these early, vulnerable days. At about 2 weeks old, the cubs' eyes finally open, and they begin to see the world for the first time. They start to explore their small den, stumbling around on wobbly legs. This is when their playful nature starts to show. They pounce on each other, swat at their mom's tail, and practice their tiny, squeaky roars. These games aren't just for fun. They're essential training for their future as hunters. Around 2 months of age, the cubs are ready for their first big adventure outside the den. The mother tiger will start to lead them out on short trips, teaching them about their surroundings. This is also when she introduces them to their first taste of meat. At first, she brings back food from her hunts for them to eat, but eventually, she will take them along to watch and learn. Learning to hunt is a long and difficult process. The cubs will spend the next 1.5 years, sometimes even up to 2 years, with their mother. They watch her every move, learning how to stalk prey, how to use the element of surprise, and how to deliver a successful takedown. It's a tough school, and not all cubs will make it to adulthood. They face threats from other predators, a lack of food, and other dangers in the wild. But with their mother's expert guidance and protection, they grow bigger, stronger, and more skilled every day. By the time they are around 2 years old, they are nearly full-grown and ready to leave their mother to find their own territory and start their own families, continuing the incredible cycle of life for these magnificent animals. From a tiny, blind cub to a powerful, independent hunter, the journey of a tiger is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. It's a story of strength, survival, and the unbreakable bond between a mother and her young. Thanks for watching our journey into the world of tiger cubs. If you loved learning about these amazing creatures, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wildlife adventures. See you next time.